Hey everybody, and today I'm going to show you how I make my videos. So first step, I turn on my Wii U. It's already on, by the way, so don't need to worry. Second, I get a game. So here, for example, I got Nintendo Land. Just open that up. Alright, now that I got the disc, put it in. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time, so I'm just gonna skip it. Alright. Okay, it's finally done. So then, go and select the game. Yep, so it's loading right now. Okay. Alright, so then after that, I just recorded some gameplay footage of it. Alright, so after you record the gameplay footage, I go to this app called UCut. And that's where I merge and edit the videos. I click New Project. Then click these two videos. So that will merge them together. And then I click Save.